Are you considering extended breastfeeding? If so, you are not alone. Many moms find themselves on this unique journey. However, there are challenges beyond the usual ones. Today, we are uncovering 10 unexpected hurdles in extended breastfeeding. You might be taken aback by these insights. Let's dive in. First, let's discuss social perceptions. Extended breastfeeding can often raise eyebrows. Friends and family may have opinions. Prepare for questions and subtle judgment. This impact can create mental stress. Next, we have physical discomfort. Your body's responses change over time. Nipple sensitivity might increase beyond the newborn stage. Mastitis can also be more common as your child grows. Pay attention to your body's signals. Then, there's emotional fatigue. The emotional bond can sometimes become overwhelming. Longer breastfeeding requires emotional resilience. There will be days when it feels exhausting. Remember, it's okay to feel drained. Then, consider nutritional needs. As children grow, their dietary needs evolve. Ensuring they get enough nutrients can be tricky. You'll need to adjust your own eating habits too. Focus on balanced nutrition for both of you. Next, let's address sleep disruptions. Extended breastfeeding can affect your sleep schedule. Older children may still wake up for nighttime feeds. Seek support from your partner or use sleep strategies. Establish a relaxing bedtime routine. Social activities can also be impacted. You may avoid outings where breastfeeding isn't easy. This may lead to feelings of isolation. Connect with other breastfeeding moms for support. Community can alleviate this challenge. Next is the effects on relationships. Extended breastfeeding can challenge intimacy with your partner. It's important to communicate openly. Discuss your feelings and find time together. Then there's weaning. Deciding when to stop breastfeeding can be tough. Both you and your child can feel conflicted. Create a gradual plan to ease the transition. Check for signs that they're ready to wean. Another challenge is public breastfeeding. Extended breastfeeding in public spaces can lead to discomfort. You might feel judged or uncomfortable. Dress in layers for easy nursing access. Find supportive environments for feeding. Lastly, let's address personal guilt. You may grapple with feelings about your breastfeeding journey. Know that it's normal to have conflicting feelings. Your decisions are valid and should prioritize both you and your child. In summary, extended breastfeeding poses unique challenges. From social perceptions to emotional fatigue, awareness is key. Remember to prepare for a journey filled with learning. Communicate openly and seek support when needed. If you found this video helpful, please like and share. Subscribe for more insights on parenting and breastfeeding. Don't forget to comment with your own experiences or questions below.